Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can use a free VPN on your iPhone. Since most VPNs charge money and not everyone can afford monthly subscriptions, today I am going to show you how you can a free VPN, no charge, no subscription, no nothing. So if you are aware with VPN, you know that it's a most secure extension that allows you to browse internet safely, and helps you access websites that are not allowed in your area, since you can change location with it. So today I am going to show you free VPN that does all that for free. So start by opening your App Store. Then after search Proton VPN. Click on it, and install it. After installing it, you will have to open it. So now that it's open, you will first have to set a simple account, and once you done, you will see this. So here are free countries I will be able to access, and beneath our countries am allowed to upgrade to once I have subscribed. So let's start by connecting to one of the free. Let's try Netherlands. So click on this power button. And now as you can, it started loading, finding IP to connect to. And now as you can see, it's been connected, and on the top you can see the countdown of when the VPN started connecting, and so beneath you can see here the button to automatically disconnect. And if you click on it, it will immediately disconnect. So this time let's try connect to the United States. And now as you can see, it's been connected. So remember, as we discussed, to disconnect you will simply click on this button. So below United States are all the other countries you can connect to. However, to connect them you will have to subscribe to Proton VPN, and if you check, you will see that it's $99 per year, or $59. However, you can still work with those ones which we just tried out. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.